a major intersection here. There is an exit as well. And again, you see how much room I'm giving. I'm going at the same speed the traffic was going before this intersection. And I'm just maintaining. I'm not going speeding up to fill in the empty gap, which is what some of these guys are doing. You see, now this gray car left the middle lane to fill in the vacuum that I created, right? You know, and then that's it. And if he would have stayed on his middle lane, he would have been farther ahead than he is now. But again, this is how people think. They see an empty hole, they gotta go fill it. You know, guys, you know what it's about, right? So this is basically how your brain thinks, and that causes traffic jams. It in this sense, and in the other case as well, it causes a traffic jam and overpopulation, especially of people who don't know how to think. Take care. Learn your lessons. Let's go. Learn how to drive, and let's have some decency and expediency on the road.